Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 1, video introductions. So what are you going to do in this assignment? Well, the title, video introductions, makes it clear. You're going to meet your peers. In this first assignment, you're going to introduce yourself and we're going to find out about you and you're going to find out about others. Okay, let me scroll down the screen and jump immediately to the directions for the video in part 1. How you're going to introduce yourself. In a video that is not more than 1 to 2 minutes, 60 to 120 seconds in length, answer the questions below. Number 1, who am I? What's my major? And what are my plans for the future? Number 2, do I like to read on my own? And if so, do I have a favorite writer or writers and particular genres that I like to read? And we have a definition of genres here. You can click on this link. But a genre would be science fiction, romance, a certain category of fiction that you like to read. Okay, moving on to question 3. How important is the concept, the idea, the theme of pulchritude, great physical beauty and appeal to my life? How does it affect me? Okay, so this last question here, question 3, relates to our term paper, and we're beginning to discuss it right away, even with this first assignment. Okay, I'm going to scroll down to part 2. This assignment does have 2 parts, a part 1 and a part 2, and this is part of how you're going to meet your peers. After you answer these questions, respond to 2 peers' postings, either in writing or via a 30-second video. If you respond in writing, your response to each peer should total a minimum of 125 words, half a page. What should you say or write in your response? Compare your peers' answers to your own, how their thoughts are similar to or different from yours, and of course your answers to the 3 questions here. Now here's an important question. How are we going to record this video in Canvas? Well, I have a little handy video here, this flashing sign, check out. How to upload a video in a Canvas discussion. All the information you need is right here. Okay, what else do we have in this assignment? We have a timeline, a link to it, the timeline, and the assignment purpose. Let's click on the timeline. Post part 1, which is the video, by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2, those are your peer responses, by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think you can't meet this timeline, come over here to inbox and email me right away and let me know what's up, and I'll do my best to help you. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, take us back into the assignment, and we have one more link here that I'm going to click on, the assignment purpose. Okay, so the assignment purpose for discussion 1, this assignment has a dual purpose, 2 things I want to accomplish. 1, to reassure you that you are not alone out there. In this English 102 class, you are part of a cyberspace community. I'm very active in discussions. I promise you, a computer will not be teaching you software. I chime in all the time. Okay, the second purpose is to help you begin thinking about our term paper topic, the theme, the idea of pulchritude in literature and in your life. And of course, I have formal definitions of theme and pulchritude here. So the theme, the idea, the concept of pulchritude, which is great physical beauty and appeal, beauty in literature and in your life. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow. It's going to take me back into our discussion. And I'm going to tell you, have fun, don't be nervous. We want to meet you. We want to know all about you and work with you in this class. And I look forward to working with you. All right, let's get going.